If you're ready to build your first AI agent with CrewAI, let's make sure that you've got the essentials covered: Python, UV, the CrewAI CLI, and your API keys. In just a few minutes, you'll be ready to go from zero to running agents like a pro. First up, Python. CrewAI needs Python 3.11 or later. Head over to python.org to download the latest version for your OS and install it. On Windows and Mac, there's an installer that will guide you through the installation. Do make sure that you tick Add Python to Path during the installation. It'll save you a lot of headaches later. For Linux, the process is a bit different. Most Linux versions will come with Python pre-installed. If, however, you want to have your own version later on, or a different version of Python, you have to install it yourself. At the time of posting, the latest version of Python is 3.13.6. To install that one in Linux, we first need to add the deadsnakes PPA by running the following command. After running that command, you should now be ready to install Python 3.13 by running the following. To verify that your installation is successful, run the following command to see the Python version displayed. Okay, now that we have Python installed, next up is UV, a fast Python package manager, similar to pip, which you might already know. If you're on Windows, open up your terminal, usually this will be PowerShell, and type in the following command. For Mac and Linux users, you can use the following command in your terminal. It will use curl to install UV as well. Okay, now you should have UV installed, which you can verify by using the following command to check the version. This speeds up your package install so you can spend less time waiting and more time building. From this point on, the instructions are the same regardless of your OS. It's time for the magic wand. The CrewAI CLI. This is the command line tool that lets you create projects in seconds. Just run the following command in your terminal, and it will download everything that you need. This will install the CrewAI CLI, which you can then verify by using the following command, UV tool list. You should then see that CrewAI is installed. That is most of the pre-work we needed to do. However, your agents will need brains and eyes. The brain in this case is OpenAI's GPT model. In a future video, I will show you how to use alternatives like running a local AI input instance, but for now, we will go grab an API key from platform.openai.com. Once there, log in with whichever method you prefer, and you should be prompted to create your first API key, as you can see here. If, however, you want to create another, or you are not prompted for whichever reason, simply go to your settings and then go to API keys. You can create additional keys here. Things to keep in mind is that once you create it, you will not be able to see the full key again. So store it in a safe place and never share it publicly. For search capabilities, we'll use serper-def. Sign up, grab an API key, and note it down. You'll need it when we add web search to our agents. Keep this one safe as well, of course, and never share it. Both of the API keys we just created are on the free tier of the platforms. Both OpenAI and Serper offer paid tiers, of course, which you can enable if you start running out of quota. And that's it, you're ready for action. In the next video, we'll set up a real CrewAI project and make 2 agents that can recommend the best phones using live web searches. If you like playing around with AI and AI agents, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.